Hello friends, so in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to create a web service using Spring Boot. So for creating a web service using Spring Boot you need few things already in hand before starting this example. So first of all you need a Spring Tool Suite IDE which is similar to Eclipse IDE and it is provided by Pivotal Systems. So you need to download it and you need to install it in your system. So once you install it, then open this Spring Tool Suite. In my case, already I have downloaded it and I have installed in my system. So I will just go ahead and I will create this Spring Boot REST Web Services example. So first of all, you need to go to this file section because you need to create a web application project. So first you need to go to this file and you have to say Spring Starter Project. So it will create a web application for you. Okay. So here the name is demo. So I will put like a Spring Boot Web Services and here I will keep like site node.com address since this is 1.0 and demo project for the Spring Boot Web Services. So here also Spring Boot Services. Here you can see this packaging is jar. So first you need to make it as var. Okay, this area you can see this one, right? This area var file. Okay, so once you done it, just go ahead and say next. And by default, one more thing I would like to say here, like this Maven. Just see this entire thing. Maven 1.8 Java version. Java version is 1.8. Okay, and packaging would be var file. And language is Java and other things like group, artifact, version, description and package. Okay, so once you have done all these things, just say next. So here you have to give some dependencies and here you can see so many options like boot version. Okay, so for this you can see so many options like 1.4.3. okay, so 15, 1.4.4. so just go ahead and select the latest one. Okay, that is fine, no problem. And next you have to create a web service, right? So just say web services. So once you type this web service web, okay, you can see many options here like wave socket, okay, and wave service, jersey, REST repositories, mobile, all this. Okay, so I need only 4 things. One is wave, another one is this wave service. So I will select them. I will select wave, I will select wave services, I will select this jersey, and I will select this REST repository also. Okay, and then I will say next. So just say finish. So it will automatically create all the project dependencies and it will load all the jar files and all the environment things which are related to go ahead for this web service project. So just wait for a moment, it will be up. Okay, so once it is done, then what we will do, like we will create one Java file and there we will mention the we will just configure our REST service. So once we configure everything like REST service, and we will just deploy this var, and we will test it. So first you can see this is the project architecture here. Just close this dashboard. Okay, so here you can see like you have created this project, Spring Boot Web Service, and this is the project architecture you should receive. So next is just see this src folder. Here you should be able to see web.inf folder inside this web app, which is not present. Okay, so sometimes it misses. Okay, sometimes it misses web.xml file. So to create this web.xml file, you have to simply go to this project folder, say right click, okay, and then just go to this Java E tools and say generate deployment descriptor stop, which you will find here. Okay, here. So just say generate deployment descriptor and just come again and see here you can find web.inf and web.xml. Okay, so the next thing is to check here, like here you should see that either, first of all, here you should see like either you are using JDK or JRE. By default, sometimes Spring Tool Suite sometimes takes it JRE. Okay, by default it takes JRE, so you need to give JDK path here. So for that you have to just select this JRE, you have to say edit, and here you have to give your JDK path. So here I have installed my JDK here. So JRE and JDK existing in same folder. So I have just given this JDK path. Once again you can see what are the files you grab after giving JDK. Okay. So once these all are here, just say finish. Okay. After that, you have to just apply it and say OK, and say finish, and say apply. Okay, say OK. So moreover, you should uncheck this. Okay. So we have done few things here. The next thing is like we need to create the REST service class. So first of all, you simply go here and create a new package and give it name as REST. Say finish. Okay, and then it's time to create a new class. Just go to this new class. Okay, and what you have to do here, like say like test Spring REST service. Just say finish. So here you can find your class. So now just since you want to use it as a REST service, like as a REST controller, so make it REST controller. Just you will see this package. So you should download, you should just annotate this. Okay, you should import it. Okay, so next is request mapping. Like this REST class should map. Okay, this REST class should map with some string, which will be URL for this REST class. So say like REST. Okay, now the time comes to create a method which will give some output, which you will show in your REST API. Okay, so just say hello. and here type welcome to Spring Boot Web Services. Okay, save it, and just here also you need to give mapping to this method, like which you will invoke from your URL. So here you have to give value to this method. Say it is hello. Okay, and next is you have to give method, like which method we should click to invoke this API. So it is request method. Okay, request method, you have to pick this class. Okay, this is, I will show you, this is the class request method, this one. So pick this, and by default it gives many methods like dot post. You can see a list of methods here, these many list of methods. So you can see delete, get, head, option, patch, post, put, trash, everything is there, but we need here get. Okay, so I'm using get here. So once you have completed these mapping things, the next is you need to build this war file. Okay, so you just go here and say, you just go here and select this project and say run as learn install. Okay, so click here and just open your console. So you can see here like build success. So our build has been success, and this is the war file created for us. So I will simply drag it a bit so you can see this war file, which you can find at this path. So just build var, take this build var path and just go to your folder and say target, take this and go to VWeb, and then you need to paste the war file here. So once you've done it, just start the Tomcat server to test your web application. Okay, here I have already mentioned this path, but I will mention, okay, I will take this VWeb. Okay, it is deploying. So once you deployed it, take this path and use it here. Okay, just wait for Tomcat deploy to complete. Okay, so you can see this message like server started. So just go ahead and pick the URL. So URL will be your var file address after slash, okay, rest, and then hello to get this message. So just go ahead and say Spring Boot Web Service / rest / hello. And since the method signature is get, okay, so here we will click on this get link. Just say get. You can see this message, welcome to Spring Boot Web Services. So this is all about how can you develop a Spring Boot web service. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you like our video, just like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.